Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished consuls, scholars, respected participants, and esteemed guests, good morning, and very welcome to each and every one of you, Realms of Heritage Conservation, an endeavor that resonates deeply with our shared commitment to preserving the cultural richness of Iraq and the Kurdistan region.
Hello, my name is Renaz Mohammed, a senior UKH student. I am proud to have been chosen as the MC for the State of Heritage Conservation Practice in Iraq workshop. This event was organized by UKH Center for Environmental Studies, the grant makers of Heritage Protection, and the Academic Research Institute in Iraq. It was great to host national and international scholars, academics, and professionals of the heritage protection. We had government officials from Baghdad and Erbil to shed the light on the progress and challenges facing heritage protection in the past decade.
Today's event is about the state of heritage preservation practices in Iraq for the past decade and also our vision for the future.
بەدیدی ئێمە تا ئێستا زانکۆکانی کوردستان ناتوانین ڕۆڵ خۆیان بینن بەڵام ئەو هەنگاوی کە زانکۆی کوردستان ناوێتی هیوادارین سەرەتایەک بێ بۆ زیاتر فراوانکردنی پەیوەندیەکانیان لەگەڵ ناوەندە زانستیەکان وهروە لەگەڵ ناوەندە بەخشەرەکان بۆ ئەوەی بتوانن زیاتری منح ڕاکێشن بۆ هەرێمی کوردستان.
أكيد نحن كمختصين بالآثار كآثاريين بصراحة يعني نعتبر الآثار هي تراث إنساني يهم الإنسانية جمعاء. نسعى كمختصين جميعاً للحفاظ على هذا الإرث الحضاري العريق لبلدنا من خلال التواصل مع المؤسسات، الجامعات، المنظمات المهتمة بالتراث الإنساني.
The Academic Research Institute in Iraq is signing an MOU with the University of Kurdistan in trying to work more closely together in improving the program at the university towards heritage.
We are truly honored to embark on a significant journey into the realms of heritage conservation, an endeavor that resonates deeply with our shared commitment to preserving the cultural richness of Iraq and the Kurdistan region.